Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy Bitcoin with Interactive Brokers. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Trader Workstation platform to place a straightforward cryptocurrency order. Before you begin, make sure you're logged into your brokerage account and that you understand your account's permissions and funding status. With that in place, let's get started by opening Trader Workstation. This is the main platform where you'll search for instruments, build orders, and manage trades. Give it a moment to load fully so all market data and panels are visible. Once the platform is open, locate the symbol entry or search field, usually at the top of your workspace. Type BTC, then press enter. This brings up a list of instruments related to that ticker. Interactive Brokers often displays multiple choices for a symbol, so this step ensures you're looking at the correct product. From the list that appears, select the cryptocurrency option. This tells the platform you want to trade the spot cryptocurrency rather than futures, ETFs, or other derivatives that might also use a similar ticker. Selecting the right instrument is important because pricing, order types, and risk can vary depending on what you pick. With the correct instrument loaded, look to the top left of the order entry area and click Buy. This sets the trade direction so the ticket you're building will purchase Bitcoin. You should now see the order fields ready for your inputs. Next, enter your trade details. Specify the quantity you want to buy. You can enter whole units or fractions of a Bitcoin. Choose your order type. A market order aims to fill quickly at the current available price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. If you use a limit order, enter your limit price and choose a time in force, such as day or good till canceled, depending on how long you want the order to remain active. Take a moment to review estimated costs, fees, and the total notional value so everything aligns with your plan. When your details look right, click Submit. The platform will present a summary so you can double-check the side, quantity, price, and any applicable commissions. Use this pause to confirm there are no typos and that your order type matches your intention. Finally, click Transmit to send the order to the market. You can monitor its status in the Orders panel. If it fills immediately, you'll see the position reflected in your portfolio. If it's a limit order, it may remain open until the market reaches your price. That's it. Your Bitcoin purchase through Interactive Brokers is underway.